going on, guys? It is Zach Rizaltz here, and I just want to show y'all one thing. Just one. Really simple. Here she comes. Dun, dun, dun. It'll be a while before I get her in my room, so just hold on. She's here. Oh, that beautiful face, dog. Come on. Hey, look at it. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh, that's so sad. Just a big, huge dog. She's literally humongous. Well, that's all I wanted to show you. Me and my dog kicking it by ourselves. And that's it. So, peace.